Your internal mindset is crucial for achieving financial and personal success. By addressing internal barriers, you can unlock greater potential and create a prosperous life. The pursuit of external success can lead to internal dissatisfaction and a sense of being unfulfilled. Finding true happiness involves redefining personal values and self-identity beyond societal expectations. The significance of childhood experiences shapes our adult lives, often leading to a quest for validation. This pattern influences personal achievements and emotional well-being throughout life. Living for others can hinder personal growth and happiness. It's essential to shift focus from external expectations to internal desires for a more fulfilling life. Self-awareness and mindfulness are crucial for effective leadership. By recognizing and managing fear and negative thoughts, a CEO can operate more confidently and authentically. Everything in life occurs for a reason, often only understood in hindsight. The journey of discovering one's purpose can be filled with challenges and unexpected opportunities. Experiences that seem like failures can lead to unexpected opportunities and growth. Embracing challenges helps individuals develop skills and perspectives that ultimately benefit themselves and others. Wealth creation requires a proactive mindset and intentional action beyond mere employment. Individuals must understand their financial worth and take steps to invest in their future prosperity. Starting small in investing is crucial for financial growth. It's not about how much you invest initially, but rather the habit and commitment to grow your wealth over time. Investing can be a transformative experience for beginners, leading them to substantial financial growth over time. By fostering a supportive community, individuals can overcome their fears and gain confidence in investing. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is essential for stable income, particularly for those seeking financial security in retirement. This approach provides predictability compared to the volatility of high-risk investments. Building a sustainable business that thrives independently is essential. The speaker reflects on her father's financial legacy and how it inspires her journey toward creating generational wealth.